She sent 50,000.
Your mom sent 50,000. When last did your sister send money to you? Are you ashamed? I don't know you. This is my first time speaking to you. If you are ashamed, I will leave you.
No, I'm not ashamed.
When did your sister send money to you last?
My sister said, last week.
Your sister always send money to you almost every time. Huh?
Yeah.
Your mother sent, your sister sent.
My sister.
Now come. Who brought you to Zion? A tragedy has happened. The king that's supposed to be on the horse is moving on the ground. And the slave that should be on the ground are now on horses. Pack yourself very well. Favor will come to you. You see how we mentioned somebody's case in open heaven from 20 years, not coming back. The Lord bless you. You are dried up. Nothing is working in your life. You cannot be dependent on somebody. People should depend on you. Huh?
Yeah.
At this age, it's an abomination to be dependent on somebody. So people supposed to be dependent to you because you are the destiny. Yeah. Hello. Hi. Are you shy or should I prophesy them all? Are you shy? Then you want your neighbor. Yeah, happily pumanyaka. Is it possible? Huh?
Yeah.
Is it possible? Huh?
Yeah.
To stay 1 week without sex, 2 weeks without sex, 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Are they possible? Huh?
Very possible.
Or to a kuede. It's telling me, the Spirit of God is telling me that you're a star and you will do well if you cooperate and pray very well. Nobody should be sending money to you. You are the one that's supposed to be sending to people. When did your mom give you something last?